Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I have a yarn haul. I don't know what video is going to go up first, but in one of my market prep videos I was talking about how I primarily use Michael's Chenille Home Slim and Sweet Snuggles Light, but they haven't restocked ever since they had a bad batch. It's not really available online except for a few of the variated skeins. So I decided to place an order with Premier Yarns because everyone always uses Premier Parfait Chunky. And so I was like, let me finally try it out. So I placed an order and it's here now. So I'm gonna open it up with you guys because I'm so excited for this. I don't know how many skeins I got. I just know I spent like $120 something. Crochet by Jenna has like a 10% off referral link. I don't know if that's for your first time ever buying or if you can reuse that or whatever, but I use that. So with tax and stuff, it was $120 something. But I'm gonna get into it. Some colors I ordered multiple of, and then some I just ordered one of. This, it's so soft. It is definitely thinner than Chenille Home Slim and Sweet Snuggles Light, so I don't think I'll be able to use them interchangeably. If you have done that before, let me know and how that worked out for you. But this is all Premier Parfait Chunky. This one is Dusty Mauve, and then this one is this really pretty light blue. This one is literally light blue. Next, I have this really pretty chocolatey brown. This is in the color Chocolate. I love how I'm saying the name of the yarn without even knowing what the actual name is. And then I have this yellow. This is Sunshine. I thought I got multiples of these, so maybe they're somewhere else down here. Here I have two black skeins and then this really pretty pinky kind of coral color. This one is Pink Lemonade. They low-key kind of smell a little funny. Maybe that's just me, I don't know. And then I got another black. And then, oh yeah, they just kind of mix and match them in the bags. I have this bright neon pink. This one is Bubblegum. And then I got this really orange. I got this color because in Chenille Home Slim and Sweet Snuggles Light, there's not a true orange. There's corally colors, but not a true orange like this. And this is in the shade Tangerine. And then this bright green is the shade Key Lime. And these are so vibrant. I feel like this would be such a cute, I don't know what, but something. In this next little pack, I have this light gray, and this is in the shade Fog. And then the other Sunshine skein that I got. And then in this one, I want to say these two are the same color. They kind of look like it, but this one looks a little more vibrant. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is the same, actually. This is in the shade Shell. And then there's this true red. This one is in the shade Cardinal. I love this. I've never had a bright red like that. In Chenille Home Slim, I think there's it's a dark, more intense red, but that's more true to red color. And then I think this should be another Shell. Yeah, it is. For some reason, I thought these were two different, but now that I hold them up right next to each other, they're definitely the same shade. And then I got 3 skeins of this, which is Charcoal, because Michael wants me to make him a stingray in this color. And then I figured I'd use 2 skeins for that, and then I just wanted one for myself for whatever I decide to make. Okay, I thought I ordered 2 chocolate, so I did get 2 chocolate, and then I got 2 Cardinal. So this is the other Cardinal and the other chocolate one. And then I love this green. This one is in the shade Goblin. I love that for spring, with a pink something to make a flower. I don't know, but I think it's a really pretty green. And then the last thing I got was 4 skeins of white, because this is really why I made the order, because I was running low on white and I use white for a lot of things. So I just needed to make sure I had some in stock. So I have these. I'm very excited. That's all the yarn I got, you guys. I'm super excited to try this yarn out. I want to make something now with it. And I will keep you guys updated if you guys want to see what I make with it. Keep up with my market prep vlogs. I will hopefully post one either right before this video or after this video. There will be one up. So, and I have other ones from other markets and other ones that I've made. So if you guys want to check them out, they're on my channel. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Please don't forget to comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. And I will love you forever. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.